Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through briefly a new 2021 Aviara 36 AV outboard that we just received. This boat was custom ordered back in January and has just arrived to us. We'll be going through rigging soon. We'll do a more thorough walkthrough once the boat is ready for delivery, but this will just kind of get us started. Aviara has a lot of exterior color options you can choose. Here we did a dark gray primary hull color, full hull, top and bottom, with a black accent, black exterior hardtop color, matching dark gray interior color on the underside of the hardtop, along with all of the interior gel coat. All of the framing is in black satin, which complements the black accents very nicely. Coming around the back, this boat can be powered with either twin 400s or triple 300s. We opted for triple 300s here with joystick. And this hatch is currently in the open position, but when down, you can see we have aft facing seating here with 3 adjustable backrests and then 3 separate seats that function like a bar stool that raise and lower. So you can seat about 6 people here in 2 different rows. Full walkthrough along the swim platform. Beneath this hatch we have dedicated fender storage for 4 fenders. We have a block-off door. Nice sized door, good for keeping dogs or smaller children safely inside. Got an L-shaped seat here in the cockpit with storage beneath all of these seats. There's also storage beneath that corner seat. It just doesn't hinge. You can see what's stowed beneath. We've got the arm for a cockpit table, the table itself, canvas for the boat. A portable igloo cooler comes standard beneath this port side seat. This backrest adjusts to face either fore or aft with the bolster that folds down. There's also storage that hinges as well beneath that seat with a dedicated door for a trash receptacle. So you don't have to displace a passenger to throw away any trash. Here on the starboard side, this is the upgraded Gourmet Wet Bar. Standard, you can otherwise do a seat over here, but with the wet bar you get more counter space. You get another designated space for trash receptacles. 3 cup holders. This boat was equipped with a single fridge and a single grill. You can also do 2 fridges and 2 grills. There's our single grill there. And we get storage in lieu of a second grill. Pull out fridge. Storage beneath the grill in lieu of the second fridge. Here we have our wet bar area. We get a sink, really large sink, and then a recessed area with 3 storage racks for wine bottles. Backing up here to give you a look at the hardtop. This does have 2 options for shade on the aft end. We have the powered shade, which you see here tucked into the hardtop. You can also do a portable aft shade that you would manually stow and deploy. Sea deck throughout the cockpit is an option and very common on this boat. Another option is a upgraded built-in cooler here that does drain in lieu of a portable cooler. The interior is a light gray. It's cool feel vinyl. There's also other options for tan, white, black, navy. at the helm. The bolsters work independently of each other. Double wide helm, comfortable for 2 passengers. The steering wheel is on a tilt base. The standard electronics configuration is a 16-inch Garmin unit. There's a separate unit to control things like lights, pumps, stereo, and then you have a third unit dedicated for engine data. This is the only option for the boat, and it comes standard. Digital throttle and shift with the 300 Mercuries, along with the joystick. A VHF radio is optional, and it stows underneath this little compartment here, nice out of the way. Trim tabs with the dynamic running surface or auto glide trim tab system. Digital start and stops. Got cup holders. These can be optioned for chilled cup holders. There's also another footrest that folds down. Gives you a lot of visibility when either you're seated or standing. This boat does have a cabin. It's the smallest in Aviara's fleet that does. Difficult to see here, but we do have a berth area here, table that's in the down position. There's a television and sound bar. This space is optional AC. Got a stand-up shower wet head, about 5 feet 9 inches worth of headroom. The windshield does close to block off along with this door. Our bow area is very deep and secure. We've got 8 cup holders, charging ports. Beneath this filler cushion is another table that of course raises. There's storage beneath all 3 of these seats, including a cooler box beneath that one. Windlass anchor is through the stem up front. These receivers here are to mount a bow shade kit that would secure up to the hardtop. Again, we're going to do another video on this boat when it's not sitting in one of our service bays. After it's gone through rigging, we can get it out in the sun and really open things up a little bit better. But for now, if you have any questions, you can call us at 843-747-1889. Check us out online at MarineMax.com. And again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston, just off Daniel Island. Thanks for watching.